Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today, yes, it's a weekend. In the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, December the 7th, December the 8th, 2024, we have here, look, December the 7th, two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku with 3 stars and the Samurai Sudoku. This one I will solve on Sunday. We have not so good news because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, only the puzzle page. We have the puzzle page here, and we have here 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, 4 stars, the Killer Sudoku, 2 binaries with 4 stars, with 3 stars, and the Jigsaw Sudokus. 6 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening, and tomorrow, yeah, we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you, no extra puzzles for tomorrow. I will do only the Samurai Sudoku for tomorrow. So this weekend, no extra puzzles, no additional. Same like I believe the last weekend. Yeah, last weekend we have also no extra puzzles, no additional. Well, it happens. Sometimes the publisher has not enough extra puzzles, additionals, so he will skip the weekend or another day. Alright, first one will be the Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 9715. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with a 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Which number can I pick? How about the number in this row, the second row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in the second row should be there. These 3 missing numbers in the second row are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. And look, we have 5 and a 9 in this column, so no 5 and 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left should be the 6. Okay. Then, let me see. 7. I need a 5 here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next down, need 2 places left, and 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, 5. Then need 8 here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 in this box. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3. and the 7 in the first row, 3 and the 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left for the 3 and 7 goes in these two boxes as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. So what are the other two missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5. No. Again, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and then 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9. Two numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, let me mark those two boxes. 2, 4, 5, okay. Then, let me see which number can I pick. The 1 here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 there. Okay, cannot continue with the 7 now, so let me see. These two missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. 4, 4. 6, 6. And we have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. That means 1 digit left in the middle column for number, the 1, the 2 and 3. 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Let me mark those two boxes. Need a 4 here. Need an 8 here. How about the number? Need an 8 here. Well, in this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here, or there in this row. Here, or there. We see another 8 in the first column, no 8 there. Another 8 in the third column, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this row should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8, okay. Now, how about I need a 1 here. Need a 4 here. 1, 4. And I need a 3 here. Interesting. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, and look, we have 4 and a 5 in this column, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 2, need a 2 here or there. Alright, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. Come on. We have a pair, I believe, in this big square. 7 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 9. We have 8 and a 9 in this column, so no 8 and 9 in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 and a 9 in this row, so no 8 in the 9 in those 3 boxes. So 2 boxes are left in this big square. For the 8 and 9 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9, okay. Then 6 and 9. 8 and 9 there. 9 in this row. Last row. 9 in that row. So the row between. The only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 now in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 5 goes there. Then need a 5 here. And there. Alright. No one here. No one there. In this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Shoot it in. 1, 1, okay. 4 and the 6. 4, 6 and the 8 and the 3. In this big square, we need a 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 cube here, cube there. 3, 3. Okay. Then, come on. How about 7 here? Overlooked. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. In this big square, we need an 8. We have an 8 in the last column, so no 8 in this box. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 in that box, so 1 box left for the 8. In this big square, should be there. 8 and a 9, we have an 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 9 in this column. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 or 9, we have a 9 now, so this box should be a 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place level 6 should be there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Then 1, 5, and 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. And looking for 1 and 7 in this one. No 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes. It's a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left, a 1 and a 7. In this row, we have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 7 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 7. 2 numbers left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, 1 box left now in this row. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, we already have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this row. For number 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 in this column, third column, 4 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be here, the 1 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 and a 6, we already have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 2 goes there. And the final two numbers in this big square. For the rest of one is missing, 2 is missing, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be and the 2 goes there. 50 minutes exactly. Well, we solve it again. Yeah, definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other... Well, not in a minute. In the evening with the other 4 puzzles in that puzzle page. Until then, bye-bye for now.